क्या आप इसे ठीक कर सकते हैं? कैन यू फिक्स दिस? कैन यू फिक्स दिस? ये कब तक चलेगा? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट लास्ट? हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट लास्ट? कृपया इसे जल्दी करें. प्लीज डू इट क्विकली. प्लीज डू इट क्विकली. क्या ये स्थायी है? इज दिस परमानेंट? इज दिस परमानेंट? ये कब खत्म होगा? When will this end? When will this end? मैं थोड़ा भ्रमित हूँ. I am a bit confused. I am a bit confused. ये बहुत धीमा है. This is very slow. This is very slow. क्या ये ज़रूरी है? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? ये बहुत तेज़ है. It's very fast. It's very fast. क्या ये सुरक्षित है? Is this safe? Is this safe? ये कहाँ से आया है? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मैं इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मुझे इसके बारे में और बताइए. Tell me more about this. Tell me more about this. मैं इसे खोज रहा हूँ. I am looking for it. I am looking for it. ये कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? मैं इसे नहीं बदलना चाहता. I don't want to change this. I don't want to change this. ये बहुत मज़ेदार है. This is very funny. This is very funny. क्या आप मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help? Can you help? ये कितना दूर है? How far is it? How far is it? मुझे और जानकारी चाहिए. I need more information. I need more information. क्या आप इसे समझाएंगे? Will you explain this? Will you explain this? ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. मुझे आराम की ज़रूरत है. I need some rest. I need some rest. ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मैं इसे वापस करना चाहता हूँ. I want to return this. I want to return this. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? ये अच्छा लग रहा है. It looks good. It looks good. क्या ये खुल सकता है? Can this be opened? Can this be opened? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. क्या आप इसे ले जा सकते हैं? Can you take this? Can you take this? ये किसका आइडिया था? Whose idea was this? Whose idea was this? मैं यहाँ नया हूँ. I am new here. I am new here. क्या ये खतरनाक है? Is this dangerous? Is this dangerous? मुझे उससे मिलना है. I have to meet him. I have to meet him. ये बहुत अजीब है. This is very strange. This is very strange. क्या हम बाद में बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk later? Can we talk later? इसे ध्यान से करो. Do this carefully. Do this carefully. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do? What can I do? ये बहुत उबाऊ है. This is very boring. This is very boring. ये कितना समय लेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? क्या आप सहमत हैं? Do you agree? Do you agree? इसे जल्दी करो. Hurry up with this. Hurry up with this. क्या आप इसे रोक सकते हैं? Can you stop this? Can you stop this? ये बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. इसे बदलना होगा. It needs to be changed. It needs to be changed. मुझे ये स्वीकार नहीं है. I do not accept this. I do not accept this. मुझे इस पर विचार करना होगा. I will have to think about this. I will have to think about this. मुझे इसे जानना होगा. I need to know this. I need to know this. ये मेरी गलती नहीं थी. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. क्या ये काम करेगा? Will this work? Will this work? मुझे उससे डर लगता है. I am afraid of him. I am afraid of him. इसे यहाँ से हटाओ. Remove this from here. Remove this from here. ये कहाँ से खरीदा गया है? Where was this brought from? Where was this brought from? क्या आपको ये मंजूर है? Do you approve of this? Do you approve of this? मैं इसे वहाँ रखूँगा. I will put it there. I will put it there. ये किसने बताया? Who told this? Who told this? क्या आपको आराम मिला? Did you get some rest? Did you get some rest? ये बहुत मुश्किल है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. क्या ये समाधान है? Is this a solution? Is this a solution? मुझे इसे समझने में समय लगेगा. It will take time for me to understand this. It will take time for me to understand this. ये वही है जो मैं चाहता था. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. क्या ये टिकाऊ है? Is this durable? Is this durable? मुझे इस पर विचार करने दो. Let me think about this. Let me think about this. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? क्या ये सही होगा? Will this be right? Will this be right? मुझे यहाँ कोई पसंद नहीं है. I don't like anyone here. I don't like anyone here. क्या ये खराब हो सकता है? Can this go bad? Can this go bad? ये रास्ता सही है. This way is correct. This way is correct. क्या ये टूट सकता है? Can this break? Can this break? मुझे और चाहिए. I want more. I want more. ये किसका विचार था? Whose idea was this? Whose idea was this? तुम्हें ये कैसे पता? How do you know this? How do you know this? क्या आप इसे संभाल सकते हैं? Can you handle this? Can you handle this? इसे कहाँ रखना है? Where should this be placed? Where should this be placed? ये कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. ये बहुत ठंडा है. It's very cold. It's very cold. मुझे इस पर और जानकारी चाहिए. I need more information on this. I need more information on this. क्या आप इसे ले जा सकते हैं? Can you take this? Can you take this? इसे ठीक से करो. Do it properly. Do it properly. ये कितनी देर चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? मैं इसे नहीं चाहता. I don't want this. I don't want this. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is very big. This is very big. क्या ये ठीक रहेगा? Will this be okay? Will this be okay? मुझे यहाँ से जाना होगा. I have to go from here. I have to go from here. क्या ये ज़रूरी है? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? ये बहुत छोटा है. It's very small. It's very small. क्या ये पर्याप्त होगा? Will this be enough? Will this be enough? मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. I like this very much. I like this very much. क्या आप इसे समझ सकते हैं? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? ये कहाँ मिलेगा? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? ये कब शुरू होगा? When will this start? When will this start? मुझे इसे ख़त्म करना होगा. I have to finish this. I have to finish this. इसे बदल देना चाहिए. It should be changed. It should be changed. ये मुझे सही नहीं लगता. This doesn't seem right to me. This doesn't seem right to me. क्या ये ख़त्म हो गया है? Is this finished? Is this finished? मुझे ये समझना होगा. I will have to understand this. I will have to understand this. क्या आप इसे स्वीकार करते हैं? Do you accept this? Do you accept this? ये बहुत उचित है. This is very reasonable. This is very reasonable. क्या ये दुरुस्त है? Is this fixed? Is this fixed? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? ये कब तक चालू रहेगा? How long will this continue? How long will this continue? मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है. I am not used to this. I am not used to this. क्या ये सुरक्षित है? Is this safe? Is this safe? मुझे और वर्णन चाहिए. I need more details. I need more details. क्या ये सबके लिए उपयुक्त है? Is this suitable for everyone? Is this suitable for everyone? इसे कौन संभालेगा? Who will handle this? Who will handle this? ये किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? Whose responsibility is this? Whose responsibility is this? क्या हम इसे बदल सकते हैं? Can we change this? Can we change this? मैं इसे नहीं समझ सका. I could not understand this. I could not understand this. इसे कैसे चलाते हैं? How do you operate this? How do you operate this? ये कब तैयार होगा? When will this be ready? When will this be ready? मुझे इस पर संदेह है. I have doubts about this. I have doubts about this. ये रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road lead? Where does this road lead? ये कब आरंभ होगा? When will it start? When will it start? क्या ये बहुत तेज है? Is this too fast? Is this too fast? इसकी मरम्मत कौन करेगा? Who will repair this? Who will repair this? मैं इसे खरीदने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to buy this. I am going to buy this. क्या इसे वापस किया जा सकता है? Can this be returned? Can this be returned? ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. क्या ये टिकाऊ है? Is it durable? Is it durable? मुझे इससे बचना होगा. I will have to avoid this. I will have to avoid this. ये किस लिए अच्छा है? What is this good for? What is this good for? इसे कहाँ बेचा जा सकता है? Where can this be sold? Where can this be sold? मुझे इस पर गर्व है. I am proud of this. I am proud of this. इसे यहाँ क्यों रखा गया है? Why has this been placed here? Why has this been placed here? ये बहुत शक्तिशाली है. This is very powerful. This is very powerful. क्या आप इसे पसंद करते हैं? Do you like this? Do you like this? ये कैसे समापित होगा? How will this end? How will this end? क्या आप इसे स्वीकार करेंगे? Will you accept this? Will you accept this? इसे यहाँ क्यों रखा गया है? Why has this been placed here? Why has this been placed here? इसे किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? ये कब उपलब्ध होगा? When will this be available? When will this be available? क्या ये कानूनी है? Is this legal? Is this legal? मुझे इसकी सराहना करनी चाहिए. I should appreciate this. I should appreciate this. ये बहुत जल्दी होगा. This happened very quickly. This happened very quickly. क्या आप इसे दोहरा सकते हैं? Can you repeat this? Can you repeat this? ये बहुत सुंदर है. This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. क्या ये मुफ्त है? Is this free? Is this free? मुझे ये स्वीकार नहीं है. I do not accept this. I do not accept this. क्या ये गर्म होगा? Will this be hot? Will this be hot? मैं इसे समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to understand this. I am trying to understand this. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. क्या ये आपको सही लगता है? Does this seem right to you? Does this seem right to you? इसे फिर से करें. Do it again. Do it again. इसका क्या अर्थ है? What does this mean? What does this mean? ये किसने खोजा? Who discovered this? Who discovered this? इसे कौन सुनेगा? Who will listen to this? Who will listen to this? क्या आप इसे सुधार सकते हैं? Can you improve this? Can you improve this? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? इसे बड़े ध्यान से करें. Do this very carefully. Do this very carefully. क्या ये भरोसेमंद है? Is this trustworthy? Is this trustworthy? ये कैसे खत्म होगा? How will this end? How will this end? क्या ये आपका अंतिम उत्तर है? Is this your final answer? Is this your final answer? ये बहुत लंबा है. This is very long. This is very long. इसे यहाँ छोड़ दो. Leave it here. Leave it here. क्या ये तेज है? Is this fast? Is this fast? ये कैसे मरम्मत किया जा सकता है? How can this be repaired? How can this be repaired? क्या ये पुराना है? Is this old? Is this old? So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.